Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a circular picture in MS Word. So let's get started. First, click on Insert and select the picture from your device you would like to work on. You would like to choose the picture format, and right over here there's going to be more options. I'm going to choose this one. Next, you would like to click right over here, click Size, so you can adjust anything as needed to your style and preferences, and make sure this right here, locked aspect ratio, is unchecked. Click OK. Next, you would like to right click on the image, select format picture, and over here, shadows, presets, make sure no shadow is selected. Next, over here on picture border, select this and click no outline. Close this and you're done. That's how you make a circular picture in MS Word. I hope you found this video very helpful.